The Judy Agnes video again. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Go ateng.
From 2101 and 1201. First drama. Judy, happy birthday. Wag nang mag-diet, uy. In fairness, ang sexy mo kaya. In fairness, sa confidence mo, God bless. Pray lang kasi ha. Thank you sa friendship. Love you, Nika. Hashtag Judy. Happy birthday, I love you. Wish you all the best. Paniwang ha. AJ Buiset. Judy Bells. Happy birthday. Stay jolly and happy. Team Drama is always here. Enjoy your day, Osa. Thank you, Osa. Judes. Happy birthday. Sunod mo kuyog na ko every time manghagad kaglaag. Kaila ko ani. Ha ha ha. Stay cool and huggable. Stay fit and healthy. Hihi. Kaila nakakinsa ko. I love you. Selfie king. Charos. Judy. Hi, Judy. Lume-level up na ang beauty mo. Mamang kaya. Keep it up. And always love yourself. Thanks sa mga laugh trip at sa mga happy and not so happy memories natin sa Red. I love you. Happy birthday. Stay awesome. Mahalin, charos. Happy birthday, be. Love, love, love. Savior. Judy, thank you sa pag-drama sa drama kung nung Sunday. Dahil sa iyo nakasama ko ang drama, charot. Thank you for being so nice. Stay maganda ha para laging drama. Happy birthday, God bless you, Shusho Algie. Thanks Algie and Judes. Jomega, happy birthday. Ano na, wala talagang forever. Di baling maganda naman tayo, di natin kailangan yan. Kaya joke lang. Di pa natin time Jomega dyan. Andito lang ako para sa iyo ha. Alam mo naman, yun, na love na kita. Happy birthday ulit. Sulitin ang birthday dito sa US. Minsan lang to. I love you so much, May. Thanks, May. My dearest mama, who would have thought nga na ade ay ko kaparehas of birthday very well. Welcome to America. 20 na ka ma. Party in the USA na ni. Thank you for the times you were there to listen to my drama. Burst supporting jud ka ha, party. Good luck and God bless you always. May God grant all your heart's desires and may you find genuine happiness. Happy birthday ma. Wishing you more life in your years. All the love. Junagang guwapa jumba. Wow. Such. Thank you.
Oh, in fairness, hindi umiyak. Achievement! Tap na.